Hi, this is the intro for Workshop 2. There are two parts to Workshop 2. 2A covers data cleaning and 2B covers data encoding. When you download the Jupyter Notebook, make sure that you have the data alongside the notebooks as well. We're going to Workshop 2A in this video, and we will cover 2B in the next video. The purpose of Workshop 2A is to do data cleaning. And data cleaning is basically removing NaN values using three possible ways. There are, of course, more ways to do data cleaning, such as removing invalid values, but in this workshop, we will focus on the most common, which is empty values. You may find these cheat sheets useful as you go through the workshop. Also, previous workshops have referred to the pandas cheat sheet, and that may also be something you want to keep around because we are also using pandas here. So the workshop will introduce the data set and has some questions that you can use to think about the data set so that you can understand it better. We will discuss this during the workshop session as well, but it will be good if you can take some time to think about it so that we can have a good discussion. The structure of this workshop is quite simple. We will be loading the data, and here is why you want to put the data in the same place as the location. In your copy of the workshop, you may or may not have the path set correctly, so do make sure that you've updated the path so that it loads the data. And then we are going to do some data cleaning using three ways. Most of the code is already there, so all you need to do is to run through and take a look at what's going on. This workshop will take about an hour to go through if you've never done data cleaning before. So do take some time so that later on, when we go through in class, you can have better questions and you can also follow through the discussion with your classmates. We will also do some plotting so that we can examine the result of the cleaning and the effect of the cleaning. Lastly, take some time to think through what are we trying to do in this workshop, because it's easy to get lost in the details. So see if you can summarize in one sentence what this notebook has done. For example, I can say that this notebook did data cleaning using certain things, and you can specify what these are so that you can confirm your understanding. And you can also try to summarize what the results you've observed. For example, maybe certain cleaning processes don't really do much, or maybe certain things result in some issues because we are choosing certain conditions to clean, certain assumptions. So see if you can think through what's going on in this workshop, and hopefully this will also give you some time to digest the code and the process.